Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from hookedandloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I'm back with a very beautiful, colorful, easy and elegant clay earrings tutorial. In this project I have used fevicryl molded, which is the clay, and as the background I have used cotton fabric and cardboard and decorated it with jute twine, cowries, and attached them using jump rings and earring hooks. So let's begin the tutorial. For this project I have used the fevicryl molded. Inside the package we have got the molded resin base and the molded hardener. Okay, so these two are of different colors, so let's take them out. One is slightly brownish gray, another one is whitish. Okay, so we will take equal proportion of both these things. We will take the knife and cut out equal parts of both these hardener and the resin base. Okay, make sure they are nearly of same quantity. Okay, and then we will start mixing them. Okay, for that we will take little bit of powder and mix the powder with these two portions and roll them using our hand and fold them. Roll them, fold them, roll them and fold them. We will repeat it until this bicolor changes into one single colored mold. Okay, so it's nearly of the same color. If we press it, we see only a single whitish colored material. Okay, so we will just roll it, make a circle and make a good mold out of it. Okay, we will just roll it using our two hands, and then we will just divide it into two equal parts and mold it into a spherical shape. Okay, we have got two such shapes. Now we will take a roller and roll it out to form a flat circular shape. Okay, I'm just showing you how to form the shape. Okay, spread it using your fingers. Lower portion should be slightly narrower than the top and fold it in this manner, and like this you will be shaping your flower. So we will, for the inside bud we are doing this, that is roll it to make a thin part and then just shape it out to give a bud type of shape. Okay, in this manner. I'm not using any kind of clay tool in this project, so everything is done using your fingers and hands. Okay, a bit of glue in the central portion and add your bud and shape it and fold it into the shape of a calla lily flower. I forgot to mention it's a calla lily flower I'm making. Okay, so just shape it out and your flower is ready. You will make another flower, so just fold it out. They should be of nearly same size as we are making earrings. In the same manner we are folding our circular portion to form the flower. Okay, like this. Add a little bit of glue for better sticking. Anyways, it will stick properly when it's dried out. Okay, let them dry for at least 3 hours. Okay, and after 3 hours it's completely dried, very hard and just perfect shape. Okay, I have already painted one of the flower. I will be painting the other one. So at first we will be painting it completely white. It will act as the paint primer. Okay, so I have used fevicryl paints. We will just paint it completely white and let it dry for some time. There is no need of painting the back side as we will be sticking that, so no one is going to see the back side. Anyways, it's up to you whether you want to paint it or not. I have left it white. Okay, we will now start painting it. Now the painting is completely based on your imagination. Now the painting is nearly complete. We will allow it to dry for some time. The shading is just perfect. Make sure there are no harsh lines in the painting. After your paint has been dried out, I have just added a layer of wood gloss on it to give it a shiny effect. For this I have used Dendrite Wood Shine polyurethane. You will get this in any paint shop, okay? And now we will be making the background on which we will be sticking the flower. For that we will require a circular cardboard, okay, and on it we will stick the cotton fabric, okay. So just we will be using the fabric glue for sticking the cotton fabric. I've used the fevicryl fabric glue and added the glue on the surface of the cardboard and stuck the fabric on it. We will turn our work, okay, and press the fabric on the cardboard for better sticking. Now we will take a scissor and start cutting the extra portion of the fabric along the circumference of the circle in small portion as I am showing you. We will cut it in this manner because we will be sticking these small portions to the backside of the cardboard, because then it will be easier to form the perfect circular shape. Okay, so we will take the fevicryl fabric glue, okay, and then we will be adding the glue to the small portions and the cardboard and stick it one by one. Okay, in this manner we will be sticking all the parts one by one. Okay, so quickly stick the parts to the back side of the cardboard. And our circle is now ready. We will just let it dry for some time before we start painting it. Okay, so it's done. Now we will just start painting it. Make sure that both the portions are nearly similar in color, because it is really impossible to make to paint something just same as before. Okay, because there will always be difference in the shading portion. Anyways, make sure that they are nearly similar, because since these are handmade things, little bit of color change will just make your work look more beautiful. So just complete your painting and do the shading perfectly, and there shouldn't be any harsh line. So our painting is done, and both the earring bases are nearly same. Okay, now comes the decoration part. I have already decorated one of the earrings. Okay, we will decorate it in the same manner, the other one. So for that, just add the glue along the edge of the circle and add your jute twine to it. Okay, in this manner. The jute gives a rough and beautiful effect to the earring. That's why I always love to add jute borders. Just cut out the extra jute, okay, and give it a proper shape and stick it and let it dry for some time. Okay, so it's nearly dried out. Now before adding the clay pieces, we will be adding the cowries and the earring hook. So for that we will be using jump rings. So open it up using the pliers and then pass the jump ring through the hole in the top and at the bottom of the circular portion and close the jump rings. Okay. Same manner, we will pass the jump ring at the bottom of the circle. Before closing the jump ring, pass it through the hole of the cowries in this manner and then close it using the pliers. Okay, so the jump ring is also attached, and then at the top we will be adding the earring hook. Okay, so for that we will be using another jump ring. So we will take the jump ring, open it up and then pass it through the already added jump ring at the top, and then pass the earring hook through that jump ring too, and then just close it. And it's ready. So it's looking beautiful as it is. You don't need anything else. Anyways, we will be adding our clay pieces to it. So we will be adding our clay flowers using the fevicryl. You can use fevicryl or any other gum of your choice. You can use dendrite also, and just stick it up, okay, in this manner. So the earring is now completely ready. We will just press it and let it dry out completely. So our perfect, easy, beautiful, colorful earring is now ready. I hope this tutorial was very helpful and also easy to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. You can also mention what kind of clay art or crafts you want to see in future. So I will be making those for you. I will be very happy if you share my video to the fullest. So this is all about the clay earrings. I also have a website at www.15loops.com. You will get many crochet patterns there. My channel is filled with crochet, fabric and clay art tutorials, so you will just love it. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.